More gestures. Swipe between pages. Swipe with 2 fingers to move pages. It comes handy while surfing internet. It moves forward and backward. Swipe between full screen applications. Change from one window to another, only on full screen. Notification Center. Swipe with 2 fingers to left, from the right edge of the trackpad to show Notification Center. Mission Control. It shows all open applications. App Expose A, which shows only current application. Launchpad. Pinch your thumb and 3 fingers to display Launchpad. Show Desktop. Spread your thumb and 3 fingers to reveal your computer's desktop from all open applications.